summer and nigga wife beaters in the winter.
Shit. I've been thugging through my rainy days, the days. I ain't really tryna hang today, today. I need changes in a major way, I just pray I never fade away. Yo, oh man, yo, word to the title, so word to my idols and word to the ghosts. I ain't saying I like them, I kill all them niggas and wear them as coats. Word to the feelings I channel while losing as quick as a fucking remote. Don't be calling me woke, no. I cheat on my queen for a hoe. That's how she go, she keeps saying we jail. Hey, she gon' come out her shell, whoa. Ain't no pushing my buttons when all of my feelings is stuck on a well, yeah. Bitch, I'm thirsty and blessed, hey. I put liquor in grills, whoa. This for my niggas in jail, wrestling L's, that's the hell in the cell. I come from a place where the shit can get shady, my chances was slim, hey. All my women was basic, we see different races and sun in the air, yeah. I can't send out no message to none of my exes and bitches as friends, hey. I can't blow it again, need a bitch that's as thick as my skin, shit, cause I've been thugging through my rainy days, the days. I ain't really tryna hang today, today. I need changes in a major way, I just pray I never fade away.
I left my legacy hurt, fucking absurd. Like a shepherd having sex with his sheep. Fuck what you heard. All this talk in my ear, I got an idea. Like the clerk when you're trying to buy beer. Since on the mic I'm a nightmare. Fuck it, I thought this might be a good time to put woke me to rockabye. I got the bottle of NyQuil right here. You want the sleep me to wake, you want Slim Shady EP. This on the CD cover, sock in my mirror. I promise not to cry crocodile tears if you end up shocked at my lyrics. Marshall is dead in the water, but not that I care. Drake said rock the boat and the dock is my peer. So it's unanimous, you're at attention. The planets listening, their banana splits again, which has its advantages. But when you got nothing to say except for the hand your dick is in, and if your plans are sticking and Janet's sticking to the imagine if your diazepam is kicking in, it's having you panic stricken. You're tripping off a tryptophan and tryptophan in Switzerland just for asking to autograph a picture, then ripped it in half and whipped it at him and kicked his ass all the way back to Michigan. But no matter how many rounds or if I get knocked down and about and fell to the ground, I got a fighter's mentality. I'll get back up and fight with it. In fact, I'm attacking the mic with it. I'll make it sound like a vampire biting with fight. But I'd have to be Dracula's sidekick to be down for the count. Yeah. Album, what out? Yeah, now. Pow, wow. I don't see no clouds, but ain't gon' be no crowd. Smile, frown, upside down. Shut my mouth. How? That ain't what I'm about. Shout, fuck it, ow, thug it out.
I've been thugging through my rainy days, the days. I ain't really tryna hang today, today. I need changes in a major way. I just hope I never. I just pray I never. I've been thugging through my rainy days, today. I ain't really tryna hang today, today. I need changes in a major way. I just pray I never fade away.